Hello friends, welcome back to Drama News Alert. As you all know, the Telangana government is yet to announce the PRC in 2021 January. Let's see if the government gives a fitment of 30%. So what will be the new basic pay according to the fitment? So let's say here is the formula, basic formula for the new basic pay. The basic pay and the DA as on 2018 July. Okay, next is the fitment percentage that the government will announce. Okay, here is the formula and the percentage. This is the DA percentage as on July 2018, and suppose this is the 30% the government is giving fitment percentage. Okay, now see here the basic pay I have given is 16,400, and next the 30% of 16,400 gives us 4,985, and the 30% of fitment that gives is 4,920. So overall the new basic pay will be 26,305 for the new basic pay. Likewise, if the government gives a 33% of fitment, the same formula applicable here, that is the basic pay and the DA as on 2018, that is 30.392, and the fitment percentage that the government announces, that is 33% of 16,400. So the new fitment gives the basic pay as, see here, the basic pay 16,400 and the DA as on 2018 July 2018, that is 30.392 of 16,400 gives us 4,985, and 33% of fitment that the government has announced, that is 5,412. So overall the new basic pay will be 26,797 for 33% of fitment. Likewise, if we see for the 35%, so the formula for the new basic pay will be same, that is the basic pay, DA and new fitment percentage. Okay, see here, if the fitment percentage is 35%, the basic pay will be same, and the 30.392% of this is the DA, and 35% of 16,400 will be this one. So overall the new basic pay for 16,400, if the government gives a fitment percentage of 35%, the new basic pay will be 27,125. Okay, hope you all understand. So likewise, for 40%, if the government gives a 40%, the basic formula is same. Let's see. So here is the basic pay 16,400, and the DA is same as usual for 2018 July 1st, that is 30.392 of 16,400, and the 40% of 16,400, that is 6,560, and overall the new basic pay for the 40% of fitment gives us 27,945. This will be the new basic pay for 40%. Okay, hope you all understand. Thank you.